Hey, you. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Have you remembered the Saturday morning cartoons when you were a kid? It was cartoonishly easy to predict when a ball would bounce or when a floor would give away. This is AMC coming down to that critical level of support, bouncing up, and now attaching itself to that rocket. We're going to not only look at where AMC has been for the last few days in terms of technical analysis, we're also going to look at updated Ortex numbers for its short interest. Important to note, there is a decrease, but of how much? We also want to take a look at AMC accepting cryptocurrencies for online payments, and notable insiders like Elon Musk and Adam Aron are selling. Should you follow them? We're going to take a look at FUD alerts because a lot of naysayers, a lot of bears are already taking a crack at hardened diamond hands. We got to break it out in this video. If you find this video entertaining or you want to spread the word, you want to be able to smash that like, go up to the number of people watching it, comment out which one you are, and now let's begin. So first things first, take a look at AMC beginning on accepting cryptocurrencies for online payments. We were listening to the earnings call of what exactly Adam Aron has planned. Let's take a quick look at this 60-second update. Big news flash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, also Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal.
And there are a lot of reasons why AMC could be a successful issuer of cryptocurrency as well as a redeemer of cryptocurrency. And that's just one of the half a dozen ideas that we're working on.
Okay, interesting. So Aron is promised acceptance of Dogecoin will be coming soon, as well as SHIB. He is working on it. We've already heard him talk about it. Let's look at that Ortex update. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. 16.6% in that short interest. So AMC currently playing right above north side of that 15% threshold that we've seen notable squeeze numbers in the past. Pay attention to the fact that AMC and GME have gone neck and neck these past few days, just like the old times. It is a correlation of exactly when those swings upward happen and when those downtrends occur, even on the daily chart. So make sure that you guys are paying attention. GME's short interest here is a change of down 0.95%, down to 8.49. That's what currently is being estimated for GameStop on Ortex. Scrapes the data across multiple different notable markets. So we already saw a couple of alerts from ChatterQuant. We noticed that there was one negative for Apple, an Olympic medal alert right here. This is down 67%. NVIDIA, we have about 69% positive. Tesla, about 67% positive, despite FUD alerts that say Adam Aron and Mr. Elon Musk doing whatever it is that they're doing in the markets. Elon, in particular, put out a poll on Twitter to talk exactly about whether or not he should sell. And then the Twitter was overwhelmingly positive of whether or not he should sell. They were positive about it. AMD has an 86% positive rating, 80% on Fubo. GME has a 43 to 57. It's mixed right now, as well as GGPI. We saw all of these alerts from ChatterQuant. You guys are still getting that 30% off in the description down below. So make sure that you guys do check it out. But speaking of the tools that we're able to check, let's use it to check where Apple is going. This is Lux algorithm right on TradingView. It just slaps right on top of it. We'll take a look at AAPL and then we'll take a look at AMC. Tracking AMC will start tracking AAPL, Apple, starts right around here on the 3-hour chart. This was back in October 18th from that strong buy signal at $146. That would have got you all the way up to $153. Zooming in a little bit, let's go to the hourly. Last time there was a buy signal was back on October 14th. Now, more recently, there's a sell signal starting as early as a couple of trading days ago on November 9th. Zooming in a little bit more. You get to the 5-minute signals here. Strong buy signal on the Lux at 148 the last trading day. And that is where Apple is currently trending, right below that level of resistance at 150 flat. Let's do the same for AMC. AMC, currently a buy signal on the 5-minute chart. Let's zoom out from here. 38.91 brought us all the way up to $40 flat. In the after hours, I believe AMC moved upwards slightly to $40.13. So that's where we're going to be opening up in the pre-market. AMC on the hourly had the soft sell over at 42.74. That was after a strong buy at 37.32. So since we're closing at $40 this Friday, that would have been the right order. A very strong buy at 37. You go to sleep, you're still up at $40 right now, crossing into that EQ band. We have a couple of testimonials from people who love to use this EQ band to know when a stock is about to flip over. Think about it as a MACD crossover. Very similar, but right now we're looking at whether or not AMC can push right below this EQ band right here, this purplish area. Let's take a look once more at far out, about 3 hours. And that is the difference right now. From 38.45, a strong buy signal. And this was November 11th when AMC took a strong dive. But we already caught that bounce and the critical support, like we drew in the beginning of this video. I believe Tesla was on the radar, so we just want to see why there is a positive sentiment. Tesla's currently on the very bottom of that EQ band here, this blue band, mostly bullish. We'll take a look at whether or not Tesla can push past $1,000.33. Next level of resistance right here is about $1,000, 115. Just think about 1111. All the way down, the first support in the 3 hour is around 929. Let's zoom in on the 30-minute. Tesla on the 30-minute had that soft sell. This was right around where Tesla was put out that poll. Elon Musk put out that poll whether or not he should sell his Tesla shares. So that was where we saw that sell signal. At the very bottom of that, it seems like Tesla's catching important support at 997. That's that $1,000 mental barrier as well. Okay, I think we'll round it out with some GME. GameStop had a soft sell very similar to AMC, but that's after that strong buy, both of which would have been correct. A strong buy from 174 would have landed you right around $200. But if the day trader saw this soft sell signal, that is a lot of technical factors coming straight in. So you've seen Lux and ChatterQuant work in hand. You get the alerts from one, and then you track it with the other. So if you guys want 20% off, it's yours. Not sure how long we can hold on to that discount, but it is with the code AndrewMoMoney at checkout. Use the link in the description. Thank you guys so much. We will check you out again in a future video. Thanks to those of you who have supported the show on Patreon, Moon Platoon, Grillionaire, and the Space Legends. If you guys would like to get access to the 6-figure portfolio and talk to yours truly, well, that link is in the description. Press that join or that Patreon link down below. Leave a comment, like this video if you liked it, and we will see you in the money. Peace.